Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create the text with fire effect in CapCut Mobile. So here you just need to use the background, any background that you want, and then just write your text. So write your text first. For example, I'm going to just write Tong Boss. Here, change the phone into the one you like. For example, I'm going to just use this Montserrat phone. Also the size, click on a check icon. Then after that, just export this text so that it becomes a video. Export, click on save to device and open it in a new project. So after you open the text in a new project like this, just add the fire overlay. So I'm gonna use the one from the stock videos. You can easily find it under the atmosphere, I think. Let's scroll down. Okay, this one here, just choose the one you want to use. Let's try to use this one. Okay, I will use this one as the fire effect. So just fit the size first and then click still on the overlay, go to blend and select the darken option. Click on a check icon and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.